Hello and welcome. In this video, we will guide you on how to fill a Neet exam form. We will provide a live demonstration in either Marathi or Hindi language. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Neet website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Apply Online button and click on it. Next, you will be directed to the registration page. Here, you need to enter your personal details such as your name, date of birth, and contact information. Make sure to double-check the information before proceeding. After filling in your personal details, you will be asked to create a password for your Neet account. Choose a strong password that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Once you have created your password, you will be asked to upload your photograph and signature. Make sure that the photograph is recent and meets the specified dimensions and format. After uploading your photograph and signature, you will be directed to the payment page. Here, you need to pay the application fee using the available payment options. Make sure to keep a copy of the payment receipt for future reference. Once the payment is successfully made, you will receive a confirmation message on your registered email address and mobile number. This confirms that your Neet exam form has been successfully submitted. Finally, take a printout of the confirmation page for your records. This page contains important information such as your application number and other details. And that's it. You have successfully filled the Neet exam form. We hope this live demonstration in Marathi or Hindi language was helpful to you. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. All the best for your Neet exam.